Welcome, intrepid explorers, to the thrilling realm of archaeology, where the sands of time are sifted through to reveal the enigmatic tales of our ancestors. In this four-part series, we embark on a captivating journey into the depths of the past, unraveling the secrets that lie buried beneath layers of history. Archaeology, the scientific marvel that unravels the tapestry of human history, is a meticulous dance with time. It involves the careful excavation and analysis of artifacts and structures that whisper tales of bygone eras. From the shards of ancient pottery to the remnants of forgotten civilizations, archaeologists sift through the sands with reverence, piecing together the puzzle of our shared past. While the image of an archaeologist may evoke visions of dusty individuals with shovels in hand, the reality is a harmonious blend of tradition and cutting-edge technology. In our modern age, archaeologists employ drones to soar above excavation sites, capturing panoramic views and mapping landscapes with precision. Advanced 3D modeling techniques breathe life into ancient structures, providing insights that were once unimaginable. The field of archaeology, once characterized by shovels, brushes, and meticulous excavation, has undergone a profound transformation in recent years. As technology advances at an unprecedented pace, archaeologists find themselves equipped with an arsenal of cutting-edge tools that extend far beyond the traditional realms of libraries, museums, and dig sites. LiDAR, light detection and ranging, drones, artificial intelligence, AI, and 3D mapping are revolutionizing the way we uncover and understand our past. This essay explores the impact of these modern tools on the future of archaeology, emphasizing their role in reshaping the discipline and providing invaluable insights into ancient civilizations. LiDAR technology has emerged as a game-changer in archaeological exploration. By utilizing laser beams to measure distances and create highly detailed, three-dimensional maps of terrain, LiDAR allows archaeologists to see beneath the surface without disturbing the physical integrity of a site. This revolutionary tool is particularly effective in dense vegetation or challenging landscapes, where traditional methods fall short. LiDAR's ability to penetrate through layers of foliage reveals hidden structures, roads, and ancient landscapes, providing archaeologists with a comprehensive view of archaeological sites that was once inconceivable. Drones have soared into the archaeological spotlight, offering a bird's-eye view of excavation sites and landscapes. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and sensors, drones provide archaeologists with unparalleled aerial perspectives, allowing for rapid surveys and documentation of vast areas. These flying marvels enable researchers to map and analyze archaeological sites with precision, uncovering patterns and features that may have eluded ground-based surveys. Drones not only enhance the efficiency of archaeological fieldwork but also contribute to the creation of detailed 3D models that facilitate further analysis and interpretation. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the analysis and interpretation of archaeological data. Machine learning algorithms can sift through vast datasets, identifying patterns, correlations, and anomalies that might be imperceptible to the human eye. AI assists in the classification and recognition of artifacts, streamlining the cataloging process and enabling archaeologists to focus on higher-order interpretations. Moreover, AI algorithms can aid in the reconstruction of fragmented artifacts or deciphering ancient scripts, providing invaluable assistance in unlocking the secrets of the past. The advent of 3D mapping technologies has transformed the way archaeologists document and preserve artifacts. Laser scanning and photogrammetry techniques create detailed digital replicas of objects, structures, and entire excavation sites. These digital twins not only serve as meticulous records for future reference but also allow for virtual exploration and analysis. Museums and educational institutions leverage 3D mapping to create immersive exhibits, providing the public with an interactive and tangible connection to ancient artifacts that transcends traditional display methods. The integration of LiDAR, drones, AI, and 3D mapping extends the reach of archaeology beyond the confines of libraries, museums, and dig sites. These modern tools enable archaeologists to conduct non-invasive surveys, uncover hidden features, and analyze vast landscapes more efficiently. Remote sensing technologies, such as satellite imagery and ground-penetrating radar, further expand the scope of archaeological exploration, facilitating the identification of potential sites and guiding researchers toward areas of interest. Archaeology is not merely a quest for inanimate objects, it is a pursuit of understanding the very essence of humanity. Human remains, meticulously studied by archaeologists, offer a glimpse into the lives of ancient populations. From health indicators to genetic heritage, these remnants tell stories of resilience, migration, and adaptation, echoing the human journey through time. The artifacts unearthed by archaeologists are not destined to gather dust in forgotten corners. Instead, they find a second life in museums, becoming ambassadors of our shared cultural heritage. Museums transform into time machines, transporting visitors to eras long past. Every pottery fragment, every tool, every relic is a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of our ancestors. Archaeology is not confined to the study of ancient civilizations alone. It unravels mysteries that extend beyond the boundaries of time and space. Lost cities emerge from the shadows, revealing tales of thriving societies that once flourished. Evidence of cataclysmic events, preserved in layers of sediment, provides crucial insights into the forces that shaped our world. As stewards of the past, archaeologists bear the responsibility of preserving our shared history for future generations. Their dedication ensures that the whispers of antiquity are not lost to the relentless march of time. Through their unwavering commitment, these guardians of history offer us a window into our roots, helping us comprehend the intricate web of influences that shaped our present. In the rest of the video, we delve deeper into the mysteries uncovered by archaeology. From lost treasures to forgotten civilizations, our journey has only just begun. As we continue our expedition into the captivating world of archaeology, we venture beyond the conventional narratives to explore lost realms and forgotten treasures. In this second installment, we delve into the extraordinary discoveries that have emerged from the sands of time, revealing secrets that were once buried in the annals of history. Lost cities, like echoes from distant dreams, come alive through the skilled hands of archaeologists. The remains of once thriving urban centers, hidden beneath layers of earth, transport us to civilizations that time nearly erased. From the mysterious Machu Picchu perched high in the Andes to the ancient metropolis of Troy, archaeology unravels the tales of cities that were lost to the collective memory of humanity. Beneath the waves, a world of maritime mysteries unfolds. Shipwrecks, frozen in time on the ocean floor, preserve a trove of treasures that tell stories of trade, exploration, and unfortunate mishaps. Archaeologists equipped with advanced underwater technology delve into the depths, discovering ancient vessels laden with cargoes that have defied the corrosive embrace of the sea. Some archaeological finds are not merely artifacts. They are transcendent symbols of opulence and power. The discovery of the golden mask of Tutankhamun in the Egyptian Valley of the Kings stands as a testament to the grandeur of ancient royalty. Crafted with unparalleled skill, this iconic mask is a mesmerizing glimpse into the world of pharaohs and the afterlife, captivating the imagination of all who behold its radiant beauty. Language, the key to understanding civilizations, often lies hidden in ancient scripts waiting to be deciphered. The Rosetta Stone, a pivotal discovery in Egypt, unlocked the secrets of hieroglyphics, allowing scholars to peel back the layers of history. Archaeologists, armed with linguistic expertise, continue to unravel the linguistic tapestry of civilizations, providing a voice to those long silenced by time. The Silk Road, a network of ancient trade routes, becomes a vibrant tapestry of cultures through the discoveries made by archaeologists. From exquisite textiles to precious spices, the remnants of this historic trade route weave a narrative of cultural exchange and interconnectedness. Archaeology acts as a bridge, connecting the dots across vast landscapes and diverse civilizations. The journey into the past is not a stagnant endeavor, it evolves with the advancements of technology. LiDAR, ground-penetrating radar, and artificial intelligence are the modern archaeologist's companions, unveiling hidden structures and intricate details without disturbing the delicate balance of historical sites. The future promises even more remarkable revelations as technology continues to push the boundaries of archaeological exploration. Next, we'll venture further into the uncharted territories of archaeology. Lost realms, hidden treasures, and the convergence of ancient cultures await us. The journey continues, and the wonders of archaeology beckon us onward. Welcome back to our enthralling exploration of archaeology, where each excavation uncovers puzzles that challenge our understanding of the past. In this third installment, we delve into the enigmatic mysteries that have perplexed archaeologists, pushing the boundaries of what we thought we knew about ancient civilizations. Etched into the arid landscape of southern Peru, the Nazca lines are colossal geoglyphs that have baffled scientists and archaeologists for decades. These intricate drawings, visible only from above, depict animals, plants, and geometric shapes. The purpose behind their creation remains shrouded in mystery. leaving archaeologists to ponder whether they were astronomical calendars, religious symbols, or messages to the gods. Standing in silent majesty on the Salisbury Plain in England, Stonehenge remains one of the world's most iconic archaeological sites. Comprising massive stones arranged in a circular formation, this megalithic marvel has sparked countless theories about its purpose and construction. Was it an ancient observatory, a celestial calendar, or a sacred burial site? Archaeologists continue to unravel the secrets hidden within its ancient stones. Easter Island, a remote Pacific island, is home to the enigmatic Moai statues, colossal stone figures with distinctive features. The mystery surrounding these statues extends beyond their impressive size and craftsmanship to the question of how and why they were transported across the island. Additionally, the island's sudden collapse into environmental and societal decline poses a riddle that archaeologists tirelessly strive to solve. In the realm of written mysteries, the Voynich manuscript reigns supreme. This ancient text, written in an unknown script and adorned with peculiar illustrations, has confounded linguists and historians alike. Despite centuries of scrutiny, its contents and the identity of its author remain elusive, leaving the manuscript as one of the most perplexing puzzles in the history of literature. In the annals of American history, the lost colony of Roanoke stands as a haunting enigma. Established in the late 16th century, the colony mysteriously vanished without a trace, leaving behind only the cryptic word, Croatoan, carved into a tree. Archaeologists continue to search for clues, attempting to unravel the fate of the lost settlers and the circumstances that led to their disappearance. Discovered in the wreckage of an ancient ship off the coast of Antikythera, this intricate device from ancient Greece has perplexed historians since its revelation. Dubbed the Antikythera mechanism, it is considered the world's oldest analog computer. Its purpose? To predict celestial events, showcasing a level of technological sophistication that challenges conventional views of ancient Greek engineering. Next, we'll journey into the realms of ancient rituals, sacred sites, and the spiritual dimensions that archaeology unveils. The adventure continues, and the riddles of archaeology beckon us onward. As our archaeological odyssey continues, we now turn our gaze to the sacred grounds and ancient rituals that permeate the layers of history. In this fourth installment, we delve into the spiritual dimensions uncovered by archaeologists, shedding light on the beliefs, ceremonies, and sacred sites that once resonated with the heartbeat of ancient civilizations. From the grandeur of Angkor Wat in Cambodia to the mystical allure of the Temple of Karnak in Egypt, sacred temples stand as testament to the profound spiritual connections of our ancestors. These awe-inspiring structures were not merely architectural marvels but vessels of worship, where rituals, ceremonies, and divine homage unfolded. Archaeologists painstakingly unearth the remnants of religious practices, revealing the intricate tapestry of beliefs that shaped these sacred spaces. In the ancient city of Teotihuacan, Mexico, the Avenue of the Dead stretches majestically, flanked by imposing pyramids and ceremonial structures. Archaeologists have marveled at the cosmic precision with which these structures align, suggesting a profound connection between the city's layout and celestial events. The rituals performed on this sacred avenue echo a reverence for the cosmos, offering a glimpse into the spiritual mindset of Teotihuacan's inhabitants. In ancient China, divination was a sacred practice, and oracle bones played a pivotal role in seeking guidance from the spiritual realm. Inscribed with questions about the future, these bones were heated until they cracked, and the resulting patterns were interpreted by shamans. Archaeologists have uncovered thousands of these oracle bones, providing insights into the concerns, beliefs, and rituals of a civilization deeply attuned to the spiritual forces that shaped their destiny. Carved into the rose-red cliffs of Jordan, the ancient city of Petra holds secrets within its narrow passageway known as the Siq. As you journey through this winding gorge, you are greeted by the awe-inspiring sight of the treasury. Archaeologists have uncovered evidence of religious rituals and processions that once animated this sacred site, revealing a city where the earthly and the divine were intricately intertwined. In the heart of the American Southwest, Chaco Canyon stands as a testament to the astronomical prowess and spiritual practices of the ancestral Pueblones. Archaeologists have discovered the intricate alignment of structures with celestial events, suggesting a profound connection between the architecture and the cosmos. Chaco Canyon's kivas, ceremonial underground chambers, provide a glimpse into the spiritual ceremonies that echoed through the canyon centuries ago. From Stonehenge in England to the megalithic circles of Avebury, ancient cultures erected stone circles that functioned as celestial observatories. These enigmatic structures were not only markers of time but also sacred spaces where rituals and ceremonies unfolded in harmony with the rhythms of the heavens. Archaeologists decipher the astronomical significance of these circles, unraveling the spiritual narratives etched into the stones. As we conclude our journey into the spiritual dimensions of archaeology, we reflect on the profound connections between humanity and the divine. Subscribe to our channel for future explorations into the rich tapestry of our shared past. The wonders of archaeology continue to beckon us, inviting us to uncover the mysteries that transcend the boundaries of time. Thank you for watching and joining us on this captivating expedition into the depths of history. My channel, known as the Renaissance Spirit, is dedicated to the pursuits of a just, equitable, and humanitarian world. Video topics encompass areas including the history, politics, religion, personal development, society, culture, social and environmental justice, and other topics of liberal arts and sciences including ancient Rome and the Roman Empire, which is a great comparison and contrast of the modern world. Topics perfect for the true modern polymath. The Renaissance ushered in a golden age and the pursuit of knowledge both lost to time and yet to be discovered. It gave birth to the Enlightenment and the Age of Reason. Embracing truth, knowledge, and an understanding and compassion for humanity opens up the world to each of us individually and improves all of humanity, affording us the opportunity to be better stewards of the earth and to each other. The Renaissance Spirit. More than just a philosophy or style, but a style for living, learning, growing and thinking. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, and share. If you're looking to explore and experience what life has to offer, I'm sure you'll enjoy the other videos on my channel. Please peruse, and let me know in the comments what you get out of them and what other videos you'd like to see. If you're an Indiana Jones fan, check out my video on Indiana Jones and the real archaeologists who inspired his story next. Live the Renaissance Spirit.